And now for some domestic poetry. V-Day is coming, so it's time to get cute. Whether it's your home, what, or the sprucing up of you. Today is a day to romanticize the domestic in all of us. So here's a few domestic drip tips you can surely trust. But first, a domestic drip tip. Valentine's Day special. About food, self-care, and complete and total randomness. Food is necessary but secondary on this night, so you'll do well with the menu of sultry delights. Just go easy on the aphrodisiacs. What? That almost never works out right. Oh. Showers and baths are a good way to get close. Be sure to double check your fragrances and water temperature to avoid doing the most. Atmosphere is everything, so don't forget your candlelight. Remember, realistic is just as good for those who are prone to cause a fright. Let's make this the year that you don't turn red or even blue by sticking with methods that are tried and true. So you can enjoy all this loving on you, by you. The end. Thank you for viewing a domestic drip tip, a Danielle Kelly art production. Domestic drip tips will return all new in 2 weeks. Happy Valentine's Day. Follow and subscribe.